Most videographers spend thousands of dollars on mainly cameras and lenses, but they often forget one of the most important tools. You see, a low quality video with good audio is always better than a good quality video with horrible audio. I mean, listen to this. It's awful. Now, as creators, I would say that we have a very specific set of needs. We need something that is extremely portable, something that is just plug and play, like it doesn't waste us any time, and most importantly, something that delivers professional quality audio while still being incredibly easy to hide. Now, I finally found the only microphone that I think every single filmmaker actually needs, and after an extensive research, the mystery microphone is, drumroll please, the DJI Mic Mini. I mean, you probably could tell because I have it strapped right here, but still I think that this little guy produces an incredible high quality sound. I mean, for interviews, for example, or it's also great for talking head videos, but honestly, like the size and also the quality of the microphone, I don't think that these are even the best parts. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. The size of this microphone, I mean, it's a winner regardless. We're talking about something that it's only a few centimeters tall and wide, and compared, for example, to the old models, or for example the Hollyland Lark systems, which are like a lot taller and more noticeable, except maybe the last one. I mean, this thing is tiny and is so compact. I also really love the design, like this cubicle shape. I personally think it's beautiful. I mean, because this is so compact, I can hide it anywhere. For example, I maybe need some audio for like a backstage, or also when I'm shooting talking head videos, I do have like the Rode microphone, but I don't really like to use that one because it's too bulky and you can focus on my face. I want you to focus on my face and my movements when I talk in talking head videos. So this is why I chose this microphone for this kind of situation. Now, the real cheat code of this microphone, in my opinion, it's this magnet system. Because yes, you can obviously clip it like wherever you want with this clip right here. But for example, like in this situation, I want my microphone to be around this like height from my mouth. And without this like magnet system, I wouldn't be able to do that. Plus, I also love this feature because, for example, when I don't have a shotgun mic available, I can just simply put this microphone on top of my Sony a6700 and it instantly clips onto, so it doesn't like go around. And I can use it as a shotgun mic for maybe like situations where, for example, I was shooting this vlog documentary for an MMA fighter and I obviously couldn't clip like the microphone to him because he was fighting, and I still needed like to hear like the ambience of the room, like the, you know, the sounds of the room and the people cheering and everything. So I just clipped this little guy on and it did the work perfectly. Now, another thing that I really love about this microphone is that from the transmitter, I can change like the dB value, which means that basically if I have a microphone like a bit too close to my face, I can still like decrease the dB so it doesn't clip. And this is beautiful, for example, with clients that maybe speak too loud or they put the microphone wrong and I don't have time to change it, so I can just lower the dB value and it does amazing. Now, I'll be honest, I am not really a big fan of cables, and the fact that this is obviously wireless, I can put it wherever I want without like the cables maybe having a receiver in my pocket or whatever. I don't really like that, so this is a big winner for me. Now, obviously the quality of this microphone is great, but usually people ask me, well, how do you get like that thick professional sound in your videos? And the truth, yes, the microphone is great, but it's mostly in post-production. I'm not gonna go over every single thing that I do in DaVinci Resolve. I usually play with the equalizer or the compressor. I do have a preset built in that I created. And if you want like a better tutorial on how to edit like the audio in, for example, talking head videos, I can obviously create a video on that. Just leave a comment down below if you want to see something like that. But again, having a great microphone, like it's already more than half of the job done. Then you just need to tweak some settings in post-production and the job is done. Now, boys, at the end of the day, this microphone is great because it's plug and play, it's fast, and you need gear like this to make you faster and efficient. That's why as a solo filmmaker, I always like to say that time is your most valuable asset. So that's why I created a video talking about my 5 favorite gadgets that help me in my shoots. If you're interested in that, I'll have the video right here. I'll see you in the next one, boys. Ciao, ciao.